The papyrus, putting on my table every month. I don't wanna be sad. Don't even try to hide it. No, I don't wanna lose it. And you see how it is, it's so inviting. The papyrus, we're all so alive. The papyrus.
Hello, welcome to the Papyrus TV Africa. This is your news update. First, the headlines. Court rejects Rivers State bid to halt suit against Governor Fubara. NNPP candidates disqualified from Kano local government elections. Naval officers kills colleagues in Zamfara shooting. The Kobo Slam Yoruba community vows new alliance with northern leaders. Professor Omorege appointed as new Uniben Vice-Chancellor. House gives NUPRC 96 hours to explain 32 billion shortfall. Now the news in details. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Friday rejected a request by the Rivers State government to suspend proceeding in a suit aimed at stopping all financial expenditure by Governor Simi Fubara. Justice Joyce Abdulmalik dismissed the application, calling it frivolous, unwarranted, and mischievous. The Rivers State government and other defendants sought a stay of proceedings pending the outcome of an appeal they had filed in Court of Appeal. This suit, brought by plaintiff Martins Amauri and another party, named the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) and several others as defendant with case number FHC/ABJ CS/984/24. The plaintiffs, represented by senior counsel Joseph Daudu San, filed the suit on July 15th, seeking an interlocutory injunction to bar the CBN, commercial banks, and the Accountant General of the Federation from honoring any financial instruction issued by Governor Fubara concerning state funds. A faction within the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Mr. Oko Jumbo and supportive of Governor Fubara, filed a notice of change of counsel on August 6, challenging Amauri's authority to represent the Assembly, arguing that his seat was vacated in December 2023 due to his defection from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Justice Abdulmalik also dismissed the application for change of counsel presented by Sami Somiari San on behalf of Okojumbo-led Assembly faction. The court also denied an oral request by defense attorney Femi Falana San, representing two defendants, from an adjournment to review new documents saved just before the hearing. The Rivers State government also challenged the council jurisdiction, objecting to the case being held in Abuja. However, this request was denied, prompting the state to file an appeal, CA/ABJ/CV/1197/2024, seeking an order to stay the Federal High Court proceeding until the appeal is decided. Similarly, the Federal High Court in Kano has disqualified all New Nigerian People's Party (NNPP) candidates from the October 26, 2024 local government elections. Justice Simon Amobeda ruled on Friday that the Kano State Independent Electoral Commission must reject the NNPP's original candidate list in favor of a new one substituted by a faction led by Dalhatu Shehu Usman, recognized as the party official state chairman. The ruling, a result of a suit filed by Engineer Mohammed Babayo, an NNPP faction, against the party's leadership, prevents Kano State Electoral Commission from releasing the voters' register based on the current candidate list. Justice Amobeda instructed Kansier to acknowledge only the revised list from the election. Further stipulation restricts security forces, including police and DSS personnel, from providing protection at polling stations if the new list is not recognized. The decision has intensified the debate around the election and the legitimacy of the NNPP's candidate nomination. Meanwhile, a Nigerian naval officer identified as LS Akila A had fatally shot a fellow soldier during an argument in Dansadao, Zamfara State. The incident took place on Friday in Maru local government area, where both personnel were stationed under Operation Shetu Yama. Director of Defense Media Operation Major General Edward Buba confirmed the incident, explaining that Akira opens fire in questionable circumstances, leading to his immediate arrest and detention. An investigation is underway, with plans for a court-martial to follow. The family of the deceased is being notified, and the military has urged restraint in media coverage to respect family privacy. Further updates will be provided as investigation progresses. Moving on, former Niger Delta militant leader Asari Dokobo has accused the Yoruba community of betraying the Ijaw and Niger Delta people, despite their support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2023 elections. In a viral video, Dokobo expressed regrets for previously questioning past Ijaw leaders, including former Governor Melford Okilu, for allying with the North. Apologizing to Ijaw community, Dokobo vows to rebuild ties with the northern leaders. He labeled the Yoruba as betrayers, saying, "The Yoruba people do not appreciate the Ijaw contribution. They betrayed us." His comments follow recent backlash over President Tinubu's dissolution of the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, raising concern of neglect in the region. In another development, Professor Omariege, an esteemed legal scholar and senior advocate of Nigeria, has been appointed Vice-Chancellor of the University of Benin. Known for his impressive academic and research achievement, Professor Omarige's leadership marks the start of a new era for the institution. The Uniben community is optimistic that his tenure will bring advancement in quality education, innovative research, and community engagement. More official statements from the university and stakeholders are expected as details emerge. Furthermore, the International Monetary Fund (IMF) has clarified the Nigerian decision to eliminate fuel subsidy was solely a domestic policy choice without any IMF influence. Responding to public speculation, IMF Africa Director Abebe Selassie stressed that their role in Nigeria remains consultative, similar to interaction with other countries like Japan and the UK. Selassie noted that while the IMF advised on fiscal management, Nigerian subsidy removal was aimed at promoting long-term economic stability. He urged the Nigerian government to bolster societal investment to ease the policy's impact on vulnerable populations. Also, the House of Representatives have given Engineer Gbenga Komolafe, CEO of the Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulation Commission, NUPRC, 96 hours to respond to allegation of revenue shortfall totaling 32.15 billion reportedly collected on behalf of the government between 2015 and 2022. During a recent session, Honorable Bamidele Salam, chairman of the Committee on Public Accounts, raised concern over the Commission's revenue records, citing suspicious transfer and missing funds. Documents reveal that over 909 million was allegedly routed to private accounts, bypassing the Treasury Single Account (TSA). Additionally, discrepancies of over 15 billion were also noted between Remitter and NUPRC's records. The committee has summoned Komolafe and key officials to explain their irregularities on October 28, with lawmakers calling for stricter financial governance and transparency within NUPRC to ensure accountability in managing public funds. This has been the Papyrus TV Africa.
The Papyrus.